In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a base in Airtable, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to Airtable's website. Once the page loads, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace. This is the main dashboard where all your bases live. Look for the base you want to duplicate. Each base is displayed as a card on your workspace, and you'll need to locate the specific one you intend to copy. Once you've found it, hover over the base card and click the three small dots that appear in the top right corner of that card. A drop-down menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, simply click Duplicate. Airtable will now open a dialog box asking how you want to set up your duplicate. This is where you have some useful choices. You can decide what to copy over. You have the option to include all records, all views, and even any comments that have been left on records. If you only need the structure and not the data, you can uncheck these boxes accordingly. For most users, keeping all three checked is the safest bet so you get a complete working copy. Next, enter a name for your new base. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily tell it apart from the original. Once you've named it, click the blue button that says Duplicate App. Airtable will then start copying your data. Depending on the size of your base, this might take just a few seconds or a little longer for larger tables. Be patient and let it finish. You'll see a progress indicator. When the duplication is complete, open your new base by clicking on its card. Take a moment to review the tables and records, and quickly check that all your views and comments came through correctly. This step is important to catch any small issues before you start working with the copy, and that's it. Your duplicated base is now ready to use. Whether you're creating a template, testing changes, or backing up your work, you now have a perfect copy at your fingertips. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to duplicate a base in Airtable. See you in the next video.